Now, many people have been asking me, what do I use to create my shorts content and what do I use to edit my videos sometimes? And in this video, I'm going to basically tell you the one tool that I've been using for almost a year now and has made my life so much easier. But anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Inoko Kedere and welcome to another video. Through the thumbnail and of course through the title of the video, you probably have seen that we are here to talk about OpusClip. Now, I've been using this for almost a year, even more than a year, because I started using the free plan at first, and then I then went in to use the paid plan. And I would say it's been one of my best investments in creating content in general. Where do we start from? We're going to start from shorts. I mean, if you want to create a YouTube channel right now, and let's say you want to repurpose long form content or you want to repurpose streams, this is the best tool for you because all you need to do is just find the stream. Sometimes you don't even have to watch the stream at all, but it's always better you watch the stream. So when you watch the stream, you can know the parts that you want to repurpose to your audience out there. So for example, we have live streamers like, Speed, we have Shanks, we have Kata Efe, and all of those guys. So you watch the stream. After the stream, you get the link of the stream, you post it into OpusClip, and OpusClip will help you automatically break it into serious viral content. Easy as ABC. Now all you need to do is just take one of the best videos, and it also calculates the score and tells you how viral the video is. Not only does it do that, it also helps you put in B-rolls, captions, and headliners. So this tool is seriously underrated. I do not know why many people are not using it. And in fact, I'm not the best shorts person, but just because I have Opus clips, I've created a new channel entirely with just short videos that is even getting so much views than my main channel. So this is something you need to look into. Now, of course, the second use case would be for me as a content creator. I make videos about cryptocurrency, Web3, and all of those things. And sometimes I need more traction on some parts of my videos. Or maybe I need some more eyes to see just one small part. I just automatically, after creating the video, OpusClip makes the shorts for me already because it is connected to my YouTube channel. So any video I upload, it has already made beautiful shorts for me. All I need to do is go to OpusClip, take the videos, come back to my YouTube channel and just post it. And voila, I have more views, sometimes even more than the original content. Sometimes I drive more views from there into the short content. And now with the introduction of AI and everything, you can expect that OpusClip is even growing more and more. Now, there's so many AI features on it, but I mean, I've been talking too much about it because, of course, I've used it for a whole year, so I know everything about it. But let me show you guys everything you need to know about it. Good. So, of course, as you guys can see my screen, this is basically OpusClip, and you can convert a long form content to shorts. You can get AI captions. You can even edit your video on here. You can enhance the speech. You can reframe. You can do AI B-rolls, AI hooks, creep to video. So now for most of you that are looking forward to doing faceless content, I know that is something that is getting very popular right now. You can use a OpusClip to actually do that. And you can see it is new. So, this is probably the tool you need to look out for, 100%. So as you guys can see, I have all project best crypto card was the last video I made. And if I'm just going to click on it, you guys are going to see brilliant shorts that are already set up. So it gave me about 10, 11 shorts. And then if you guys click on it, you're going to see, for example, let's click on this one. It's highly incentivized. And I'm just going to show you guys in this video everything you need to know about it. Before we go straight into the video, what exactly is 3 adults? And it says spend crypto anywhere. This is just beautiful for any video content creator out there. Like you can, or even you as a creator, you can even help other video content creators with OpusClip. You can have an OpusClip account and just go around, check video content, and people that are making nice videos, you can help them make shorts of their videos, and you can do it consistently for them using your OpusClip tool. All you need to do is just paste the link. Paste the YouTube link. That's it. All you need to do is drop the link. For example, I watched this video that I loved on YouTube from these guys, and I just took the link, pasted it here. Guess the Nepo baby. So it's a Nigerian video. And just look, thousands of clip that would go viral if you actually find the clip from here. Like, just imagine. I think I came to the playlist. What are you talking about? This is what is odd. Oh, look, I'm an Elsa. It has to be, man. Like, so like, it's just incredibly amazing. And yeah, and you can use it for free, of course, but you'll be limited. Of course, you can do 25 videos for free, I think, 25 generations for free. But of course, if you want to use it long term and actually monetize it, then you have to get a plan, of course. And I've gotten this plan since last year and it has been incredible. This is a must-have tool for any creator out there. If you are a video content creator out there, or you are a content repurposer or a live streamer or just a fan that happens to watch lots of live streams, you can monetize all of those because you have knowledge already about the content you want to repurpose. All you need to do is get the links, post it in here. It generates brilliant shorts for you. And of course, one other thing is you can also make the shorts in ways you want. You can make it in the 16:9, you can make it 9:16, you can make it landscape, portrait, anyhow you want. You have total ability to edit these things. And I think maybe one more thing I would like to show you guys is the editing, right? So of course, let's just pick any video from the last ones that I had, and you can download the video, you can schedule it and let it post automatically to any platform of your choice. Insane, right? Without you doing a single thing, all right? And it also has API access for your AI agents as well. So your AI agents can be using your OpusClip to just render clips and make shorts and just, this is crazy. So let's go all the way to edit. So we just click edit. As you guys can see, it can clean up my speech. It can clean up the speech. It can do a lot of things. It can do a lot of things. We can add B-rolls. You see, we can auto generate AI B-rolls or stock B-rolls. I personally, I love stock B-rolls more because it uses some real B-rolls from, real pictures, real videos out there that people already connect with. The AI B-rolls are a little bit new. They're a little bit new. So as you guys can see, it already generated stock B-rolls, and then immediately it has made this video really professional. So let's click and see what we've got. It's highly incentivized, and I'm just going to show you guys in this video everything you need to know about it. Before we go straight into the video, what exactly is Triad? Also offers you with cards that you can pay literally over the world. So anywhere you can use your Visa card, you can use the Triad card because it's Visa, basically Visa. Now, what is the benefit? Coming from my own perspective, saying all you need to do is to send all the money, whatever money, into your Triad wallet, and saying you top up your cards. Self-custody wallets, you need to get the 12 insane 12.6 rate. This one doesn't need any SIP. That is just me clicking. Okay, I did nothing at all. Now there's a text on the screen. There are B-rolls. I could still do more. I could still enhance it with AI. This is the tool that you have been waiting for. So, of course, I will not be talking about it if I had not used it. I think you guys can already see proof that I've been using it, and I've been using it for almost more than a year. You can check my short section. Every short you see out there is from OpusClip. So I'm not going to save this. I'm not going to save this, or I will save it. I will save it. I like it. So maybe I could even post this one later, you know? You never know. And then you can also add them to your favorites. I think this is something that you guys are going to navigate later and see it. And of course, I mean, so far, we've done justice to this video, and I think I've shown you guys what OpusClip is all about. I've shown you why you must be using it, not should. You actually must be using it. And finally, for you to download and register or do whatever, I'm going to put a link to everything below. And if you've watched all the way till now, make sure you smash that like, drop your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful Monday, Tuesday, week. See you guys in the next one. Peace.